English step by step. Pronunciation and spelling. Vowels A and E. Step 2. In this video you'll find the answers to a practice exercise. The practice exercise can be found in the Step 1 video, so make sure you watch that one first. So now let's look at the answers. Number 1 is land. Number 2, gas. Gas. Number 3, flash. Flash. Number 4, spanned. Spanned. Now this is the past tense of the verb span. Number 5, marry. Marry. Number 6 is the first one with the sound e and the phoneme e, and the first one is lend. Lend. Number 7, guess. Now this is an irregular spelling. There are not many other words like this. UE is the spelling in this case for the sound e. Number 8, flesh. Number 9, spend. Number 10, pleasure. Now this again is another irregular spelling with EA, like head and bread. You can see in this exercise we have some minimal pairs. Now minimal pairs are two words which have similar vowels and similar phonemes, but they are not exactly the same. Land, lend. Gas, guess. Flash, flesh. Spanned, spend. So let's move on to the sentences. Sentence 11. He put the egg in the bread and had a sandwich. Number 12. Jenny got married at the end of January. Number 13. He has an extra bed for guests and friends. And you can see we have the irregular spelling in the word guests, which is similar to guess with UE, and also friends with IE as the spelling for the sound E. Friends. Number 15. She went to the leisure centre to relax. And there we have irregular spelling in leisure. She went to the leisure centre to relax. 15. He guessed where the treasure was. He guessed where the treasure was. And there we have EA in treasure, which is similar to pleasure. So that brings us to the end of this Step 2 video on the sounds A and E. You can watch the other videos in this series to see the other phonemes, the other spellings and the other sounds. And you can watch the overview video in which I talk about all of the vowels that you can find in English spelling and pronunciation. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.